Service development and design. Service delivery is a complex set of actions and behaviors that may vary according to the situation. Service providers describe the service they wish to offer in vague terms that may mean different things to different people. The temptation to describe service in words involves the following risks. 1. Oversimplification. If only the basic functionality is stated, the meaning is not conveyed. A taxi service, for example, provides more than transportation. A portfolio management service is more than buying and selling stocks. 2. Incompleteness. A service needs to achieve satisfaction at several levels and in several dimensions. Describing only one aspect of the service may be an incomplete specification. Subjectivity. The individual describing the service may be familiar with certain aspects of the service and may describe only those aspects. Biased interpretation. Descriptive words like responsive, quick, flexible mean different things to different people. Personal bias in interpretation renders such words meaningless. Types of new services. Major innovations. Totally new services not offered by any provider. Variation of an existing format where the generic need is already being met by an existing service. The new service tries to provide a variation with an alternative approach to delivery. Example: online banking, a need met by the bank's existing branches, or a door-to-door airport shuttle service, a need being met already by taxi services. New services for currently served markets. The company provides a service to existing customers that was not previously offered but was available from other providers. A telecom company provides video conferencing services. A bookstore or a mall provides coffee. An airline provides pickup and drop services. Service line extensions. Augmentation of an existing service. An airline introduces new routes. A restaurant adds items on its menu. Service improvements. When existing services are augmented, such as faster check-in in hotels, extended banking hours, additional features on a telephone. Style changes. Change of color scheme, change of decor, website redesign. Service redesign. Redesigning existing services is another approach to service development and growth. Self-service. Customers perform some task and become active participants. Example: food courts, self-service petrol stations, internet banking. Direct service. The service is provided at the customer's premises. Pre-service. When a part of the service is done in advance. Example: hotel and airline check-in in advance. Movie tickets purchased on the internet. Bundled service. Different types of services are bundled together for a particular customer. Example: car service, insurance and loan bundled together. Banking service, wealth management, insurance and stock trading bundled together. Shopping, food, gaming, entertainment bundled together. Physical change. Redesign and upgradation of the entire physical environment.